Imagine waking up every single day to unobstructed ocean views, the sound of the tide, and the ultimate coastal lifestyle. Welcome to your piece of paradise in Cholla Bay in Rocky Point. This incredible oceanfront home features a spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout designed perfectly for effortless beachside living. Whether you are looking for the perfect vacation getaway or a lucrative rental investment, this layout maximizes both comfort and stunning views. Step inside to a jaw-dropping open-concept design that radiates authentic Mexican charm. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features towering double-height ceilings, gorgeous tile work, a spacious chef's kitchen, and a stunning overhead loft balcony. Relax in a living space rich with custom character. From the nautical accents to the gorgeous brick fireplace, every detail has been thoughtfully crafted to create a warm coastal retreat you'll never want to leave. It is the perfect, airy layout for entertaining family and friends after a day on the water. This property boasts 2 vibrant, spacious bedroom suites. Each features authentic Mexican design accents, personal character, and direct, seamless access to the outdoor living spaces. But the outdoor amenities are where this property truly shines. Relax on your huge private terrace to catch those famous Rocky Point sunsets. Direct beach access with your very own boat ramp. For anyone who loves the water, this is a total game changer. Launch your boat, jet skis, or kayaks right from your property and start exploring the Sea of Cortez in seconds. This is what living in Cholla Bay is truly all about. Oceanfront properties with this much authentic charm and dedicated water access are incredibly rare in Cholla Bay. Don't miss out. Contact me today to schedule your private tour. You won't regret it.